I wanted to get a close-up of your face.
Of my face.
What's the really good song we should sing? Like a...
Yeah. So that's actually that's what Bali is.
What's like a really good I just hiked a volcano song?
Oh, there is definitely a song.
Oh, there's a song. Maybe like a Rocky song, like dun 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 dun
Or Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing race. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. All of the dark clouds have held me down. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. What's another like the sun's coming up song? There's a lot of songs about the sun.
Well, wait.
The sun will come up tomorrow. You can bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there will be blue skies.
Okay.
That's not what you were thinking?
No.
By the look on your face.
Walking on sunshine.
Walking on sunshine. Whoa. I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa. And don't it feel good? Hey! I used to think maybe you loved me. Now, baby, I'm sure. And every time I go, what is it? Walk to the mailbox. I can't hold myself down. If I just want to watch the sunrise in this video, I might have to take the volume off.
Oh, well.
No, it's good.
Capture the moment.
It's capturing the moment. It's coming.
Embrace your extraordinary. And your inner worries.
You have to love your inner crazy.
Yeah.
What was it? There was a saying, but that's not what it was. But it was to that effect.
I just love how you can see the island. Like, that's where it ends over there. And then the part behind that's the peninsula. Yeah. That's Bali.
Wow.
From the top.
Bali, baby. Isn't it funny? We're in Bali. We like, yeah, like we're in Bali.
We're in Bali.
And the sun is coming up.
The first time we connected, you were in the US.
Yeah.
I was in Holland.
Yep. Yep. I think I remember too. Like I always remember where I was sitting. I think I was sitting at the computer desk at my parents' house.
No, you actually, the first time we connected, you had to drive somewhere with the Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi at home wasn't working.
Oh, I think I was at the co-op.
You were sitting in a car. I remember that.
Oh, I was sitting in a car?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I was at the yeah, there's this one spot in town outside of the sheriff's office. Yeah, I remember where I was sitting. Yeah. I remember the computer desk conversation was when I was talking about going to Korea. Yeah, it's funny how you remember like what you were doing like when you were on the phone. Oh, that's so beautiful.